Paper 1 Indian Economy and Indian Financial System, Chapter 10, Climate Change and Sustainable Development Goals. Part 1. Understanding climate change. Climate change refers to long-term alterations in temperature, precipitation, wind patterns, and other elements of the Earth's climate system. It's primarily caused by the increase in greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, due to human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrialization. The impact of climate change includes rising global temperatures, melting glaciers and rising sea levels, unpredictable rainfall, and increasing frequency of natural disasters. In India, we've already started seeing severe floods, heat waves, and crop losses, which directly affect our economy, agriculture, and livelihoods. Part 2. The link between economy and climate. Climate change has a direct economic impact. It affects agricultural productivity, damages infrastructure, and increases the cost of disaster management. Banks and financial institutions are now recognizing that climate risk is also a financial risk. This is why there's a growing focus on green finance, sustainable investments, and ESG, environmental, social, and governance standards. Part 3. What is sustainable development? The term sustainable development means development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It's about maintaining a balance between economic growth, social inclusion, and environmental protection, the three pillars of sustainability. In short, people, social well-being, planet, environmental protection, and profit, economic growth. Part 4. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. In 2015, all United Nations member countries adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, a shared blueprint for peace and prosperity. It includes 17 Sustainable Development Goals and 169 targets, to be achieved by 2030. No poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions. Partnerships for the goals. These goals are interconnected, meaning progress in one area supports progress in others. Part 5. Role of banks and financial sector. The financial sector plays a crucial role in promoting sustainable growth. Banks support climate action through green financing for renewable energy and clean technologies, issuing green bonds, integrating ESG norms into lending and investment policies, and encouraging environment-friendly business practices. For example, the RBI has issued guidelines to promote green finance and is a member of the Network for Greening the Financial System, NGFS. These steps help align India's banking sector with the country's commitment to the Paris Climate Agreement. Part 6. India's commitments and initiatives. India has made several commitments toward climate and sustainability, such as National Action Plan on Climate Change, NAPCC, renewable energy targets, particularly in solar and wind energy, International Solar Alliance, ISA, Green Hydrogen Mission, Life Movement, Lifestyle for Environment, introduced by India in COP26. All these initiatives aim to make India a leader in climate action and green development. Part 7. Key takeaways for JAIIB. Let's quickly revise the key points. Checkmark. Climate change is a global economic and environmental challenge. Checkmark. Sustainable development balances growth, equality, and environment. Checkmark. There are 17 SDGs to be achieved by 2030. Checkmark. Banks play a vital role through green finance and ESG policies. Checkmark. RBI supports sustainability through green guidelines and global partnerships. Easy level, 15 questions. Question number 1. Climate change primarily refers to changes in a population. B. Weather patterns over a long period. C. Economic growth. D. Forest area. Answer B. Weather patterns over a long period. Question number 2. The main cause of global warming is the increase in A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Helium. Answer B. Carbon dioxide. Question number 3. The term sustainable development means a fast economic growth. B. Development without environmental concern. C. Development that meets present needs without compromising the future. D. Only industrial development. Answer C. Development that meets present needs without compromising the future. Question number 4. The UN adopted the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, in A. 2000. B. 2010. C. 2015. D. 2020. Answer C. 2015. Question number 5. How many Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are there? A. 10. B. 15. Circa 17. D. 20. Answer C. 17. Question number 6. The SDGs aim to be achieved by the year A. 2020. B. 2025. C. 2030. D. 2050. Answer C. 2030. Question number 7. 13 Sudanese pounds focuses on A. Gender equality. B. Climate action. C. Clean energy. D. Zero hunger. Answer B. Climate action. Question number 8. 7 Sudanese pounds is related to A. Affordable and clean energy. B. Quality education. C. Life on land. D. No poverty. Answer A. Affordable and clean energy. Question number 9. The Paris Agreement deals with A. Nuclear disarmament. B. Climate change. C. Trade liberalization. D. Population control. Answer B. Climate change. Question number 10. The main greenhouse gas responsible for climate change is A. Carbon dioxide. B. Argon. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. Answer A. Carbon dioxide. Question number 11. The full form of ESG is A. Energy, safety, growth. B. Environmental, social, and governance. C. Economic, social, and government. D. Employment, savings, and growth. Answer B. Environmental, social, and governance. Question number 12. Green finance mainly supports A. Luxury goods. B. Environment-friendly projects. C. Political campaigns. D. Sports activities. Answer B. Environment-friendly projects. Question number 13. Which organization launched the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development? A. World Bank. B. IMF. C. United Nations. D. WHO. Answer C. United Nations. Question number 14. The National Action Plan on Climate Change, NAPCC, belongs to A. China. B. India. C. USA. D. Japan. Answer B. India. Question number 15. Life Movement, Lifestyle for Environment, was launched by A. Niti Aayog. B. Prime Minister of India. C. RBI. D. United Nations. Answer B. Prime Minister of India. Moderate level, 15 questions. Question number 1. The 3 pillars of sustainable development are A. Economic, political, cultural. B. Economic, social, environmental. C. Financial, legal, environmental. D. Economic, administrative, ecological. Answer B. Economic, social, environmental. Question number 2. 1 Sudanese pound targets A. No poverty. B. Quality education. C. Good health and well-being. D. Life on land. Answer A. No poverty. Question number 3. The International Solar Alliance, ESA, was initiated by A. USA and France. B. India and France. C. India and Germany. D. India and Japan. Answer B. India and France. Question number 4. Green bonds are issued to A. Support defense activities. B. Fund environmental projects. C. Promote rural employment. D. Reduce fiscal deficit. Answer. Question number 5. Life on land corresponds to which SDG number? A. 12. B. 14. Circa 15. D. 16. Answer C. 15. Question number 6. The Paris Agreement was adopted during A. COP19. B. COP21. Circa COP23. D. COP25. Answer B. COP21. Question number 7. Which of the following gases is not a greenhouse gas? A. Methane. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrous oxide. D. Oxygen. Answer D. Oxygen. Question number 8. The Network for Greening the Financial System, NGFS, includes A. Banks and central banks. B. NGOs. C. Farmers. D. Local governments only. Answer A. Banks and central banks. Question number 9. The Network for Greening the Financial System, NGFS, includes A. Banks and central banks. B. NGOs. C. Farmers. D. Local governments only. Answer A. Banks and central banks. Question number 10. The main objective of green banking is to A. Increase interest rates. B. Reduce carbon footprint. C. Promote paper usage. D. Increase loans to industries. Answer B. Reduce carbon footprint. Question number 11. Which of the following SDGs focuses on clean water and sanitation? A. 4 Sudanese pounds. B. 5 Sudanese pounds. C. 6 Sudanese pounds. D. 7 Sudanese pounds. Answer C. 6 Sudanese pounds. Question number 12. The organization responsible for implementing NAPCC in India is A. Niti Aayog. B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Planning Commission. Answer B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Question number 13. RBI's membership in NGFS primarily promotes A. Monetary stability. B. Financial greening and sustainable finance. C. Inflation control. D. Export growth. Answer B. Financial greening and sustainable finance. Hard level, 15 questions. Question number 1. Which SDG directly supports the Paris Agreement objectives? A. 12 Sudanese pounds. B. 13 Sudanese pounds. C. 14 Sudanese pounds. D. 16 Sudanese pounds. Answer B. 13 Sudanese pounds. Question number 2. The Brundtland Commission Report, 1987, is significant for defining A. Green GDP. B. Sustainable development. C. Environmental economics. D. Globalization. Answer B. Sustainable development. Question number 3. The triple bottom line approach of sustainability includes A. People, planet, profit. B. Policy, product, price. C. Plan, process, performance. D. Power, politics, population. Answer A. People, planet, profit. Question number 4. India's nationally determined contribution, NDC, under the Paris Agreement includes A. Reducing emissions intensity of GDP by 45% by 2030. B. Reducing 100% emissions by 2025. C. Achieving net zero by 2030. D. No commitment. Answer A. Reducing emissions intensity of GDP by 45% by 2030. Question number 5. Which SDG is most closely linked to green finance? A. 7 Sudanese pounds. B. 13 Sudanese pounds. C. 17 Sudanese pounds. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 6. The Sustainable Banking Network, SBN, was launched by A. IMF. B. IFC, International Finance Corporation. C. World Bank. D. United Nations. Answer B. IFC, International Finance Corporation. Question number 7. The Principles for Responsible Banking, PRB, are promoted by A. UNEP Finance Initiative. B. WTO. C. IMF. D. World Bank. Answer A. UNEP Finance Initiative. Question number 8. The SDGs succeeded which previous UN program? A. Human Development Goals. B. Millennium Development Goals, MDGs. C. Earth Summit Agenda. D. Kyoto Protocol. Answer B. Millennium Development Goals, MDGs. Question number 9. India announced the Panchamrit targets during A. COP21 Paris. B. COP26 Glasgow. Circa COP27 Sharm el-Sheikh. D. COP28 Dubai. Answer B. COP26 Glasgow. Question number 10. Which of the following is not part of India's Panchamrit targets? A. 500 gigawatts non-fossil capacity by 2030. B. 50% energy from renewables. C. Net zero by 2070. D. 100% electric vehicles by 2025. Answer D. 100% electric vehicles by 2025. Question number 11. The Green Climate Fund, GCF, was established under A. Paris Agreement. B. UNFCCC. C. Kyoto Protocol. D. Montreal Protocol. Answer B. UNFCCC. Question number 12. Decoupling in sustainable growth means A. Separating economic growth from environmental degradation. B. Reducing imports. C. Disconnecting energy and GDP. D. Reducing fiscal deficit. Answer A. Separating economic growth from environmental degradation. Question number 13. The Global Environment Facility, GEF, provides A. Military aid. B. Funding for environmental projects in developing countries. C. Agricultural subsidies. D. Banking support. Answer B. Funding for environmental projects in developing countries. Question number 14. ESG investing mainly promotes a profit-only approach. B. Socially responsible and ethical investment. C. Short-term speculation. D. Government bond markets only. Answer B. Socially responsible and ethical investment. Question number 15. Which index measures progress toward achieving SDGs? A. Environmental Vulnerability Index. B. Sustainable Development Index. C. SDG India Index. D. Global Green Index. Answer C. SDG India Index.